Hey guys, welcome back to HM Advisor. Have you been searching for the spider gauntlet in Geometry Dash but still can't find it anywhere? A lot of players think they missed a secret unlock method or hidden level, but here's the truth. The spider gauntlet is not officially available in the game yet. Even after checking every gauntlet page and trying different methods online, players still can't access it because the feature has not been released by the developers. This topic has confused the community for years. Many players on forums and online discussions continue asking where the gauntlet is and how to unlock it early. But right now, there is no legitimate way to access it in the public version of the game. In games like Geometry Dash, upcoming features and updates are often mentioned long before they actually launch. Because of that, many players assume those features are secretly hidden somewhere inside the game files. For now, the best thing you can do is wait for an official update from RobTop Games. Once the spider gauntlet is officially added, it should appear in the gauntlet section just like the others. Hopefully, this video saves you from wasting time on fake tutorials or random tricks that don't actually work.